Safety Toolbox Talk Number 214. Roles of Safety Officer in Construction. A construction safety officer may take on additional roles and responsibilities, but their primary job is helping to create safer construction sites. A construction safety officer verifies that all tools and equipment are adequate and safe for use, watches out for the safety of all workers, and works to protect them from entering hazardous situations. Trains and carries out drills and exercises on how to manage emergency situations. Inspects the site to ensure it is a hazard-free environment. Conducts investigations of all accidents and near misses. Conducts job hazard analyses. Performs emergency response drills. Reports to concerned authorities as requested or mandated by regulations. Establishes safety standards and policies as needed. Enforces safety guidelines. Review the measures taken to ensure the health and safety of the workers. Investigation of accidents and study of accidents and records. Planning for control of physical hazards such as guarding of machinery, supply of tools, and guarded equipment. Conduct safety inspections periodically. Provide opportunity for free discussions on accident problems and preventive measures. Make suggestions for improvement. Thank you.